Hey friends, welcome to Vedyug. I'm your science mentor. So friends, in the previous videos, we learned about the use of various energy sources and the generation of electrical energy. But before moving forward, let me ask you a couple of questions. That why the energy in coal is called chemical energy? Its answer is pretty simple. Coal has chemical energy that is released when it undergoes a chemical reaction. But why steam is used to rotate the turbine? So its answer is steam rotates the turbine because it has high energy and exerts a force on the blades. That's why steam is used to rotate the turbines. So friends, in this video or in this part of the video, we will cover certain topics which includes electricity generation problems and process of generation of electricity and environment. So let's get started. First, we will learn about electricity generation problems. So there are various problems. As you know, जब हम पिछला वीडियो देख रहे थे, हमने इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी एज अ सोर्स देखे, सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी देखे, बट उसको जनरेट करने के लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम लगती है और प्रॉब्लम्स होती भी है. तो वो कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स है वो आज हम देखते हैं और सॉल्व करने का ट्राई करते हैं. सो बर्निंग कोल प्रोड्यूसेस हार्मफुल गैसेस लाइक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सल्फर ऑक्साइड एंड नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड, लीडिंग टू एयर पोल्यूशन एंड हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स. बर्निंग कोल रिलीजेस सूट, सूट यानी जो आप काजल यूजुअली लगाते हो उसे सूट कहते हैं. सो बर्निंग कोल रिलीजेस सूट particles that can cause respiratory health problems. Coal reserves are limited, so there will be limitations on the availability in the future. Yes dear friends, हमारे देश में कोल रिजर्व्स बहुत कम है, तो एक बार अगर हमने पूरा यूज़ कर लिए कोल तो उसकी अवेलेबिलिटी फ्यूचर में कम हो जाएगी. Now let us learn about power plants based on nuclear energy. So nuclear power plants use fission energy to create steam that drives a turbine generating electricity. So, if you know or if you want to know about how nuclear power plant generates energy, so it is pretty simple in the tree diagram given below. Nuclear reactor for nuclear fission gets generated and it gets transferred into the system for steam generation from water. And at the end of this cycle, we get electrical energy. In between, we can see steam engine and generator. So steam engine is used for conversion of steam back into water. And the fuel which we use in this plant is basically uranium or plutonium, which are radioactive. So nuclear energy becomes thermal energy, steam kinetic energy, turbine kinetic energy, and then electrical energy in a nuclear power plant. So energy transformation in nuclear power plant is given. First we get nuclear energy, then it is converted into thermal energy, which is then converted into kinetic energy in steam. Then that steam is converted into kinetic energy in turbines. As a result, we get electrical energy. But before doing this, let me tell you dear friends, uranium is hit by a neutron. Uranium splits and releases energy and more neutrons. Neutrons break down more uranium, then chain reaction occurs in this process. After that, thermal energy is produced and thermal energy is used for electricity. Dear friends, you can see nuclear fission, that is chain reaction, in the diagram given below. This diagram tells about nuclear fission. And this one is the schematic of nuclear power plant. This is how a power plant looks like. Nuclear power plants don't cause air pollution. But certainly there are problems with nuclear waste disposal and the risk of accidents. Yes dear friends, वो न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी की वजह से वहाँ पे न्यूक्लियर वेस्ट की प्रॉब्लम हमें दिखाई पड़ सकती है. That's why it is also one of the dangerous things which can cause accidents. So let us now discuss about problems. So first problem would be nuclear waste is highly radioactive and its safe disposal is major challenge for scientists. Nuclear power plant accidents can release harmful radiation, making them potentially fatal. Now let us learn about power generation plants based on the energy of natural gas. So natural gas is combusted to generate high temperature gas. High temperature gas runs a turbine, then turbine generates electricity. The exhaust gases are released into the atmosphere. You can see the arrangement in power plants based on the energy of natural gas, which includes compressor for pressurized air, which goes into combustion chamber, which is then sent to generator, and we get electrical energy as output. The power plant burns compressed air and natural gas to produce high temperature gas, which runs the turbines and generates electricity. This flow chart tells you about how transformation of energy in power plants using energy from natural gas is produced. So first we have chemical energy in natural gas, then it gets converted into kinetic energy generated due to combustion of natural gas. Then it is sent to turbines, which produce kinetic energy in turbines, and at the output we get electrical energy. So natural gas power plants are more efficient and less polluting than coal-based plants because natural gas lacks sulfur. The schematic of a power plant based on natural gas is given below. You can see the basic or the structural model of that power plant. Let us now find out what effect does the electric energy generation puts on environment. The burning fossil fuels causes air pollution and health problems. Harmful gases and soot particles are emitted. And let me tell you, dear friends, it is most disturbing thing that it contributes to global warming and it causes acid rains also. Fossil fuels took millions of years to form and their reserves are limited. With current usage, coal will last for about 200 years and natural gas for 200 to 300 years. So this is one of the major problems. Fossil fuels and nuclear fuels for energy generation are not environment friendly due to various reasons. So dear friends, here we have completed another part of this chapter where we have learnt about nuclear reaction and how energy is produced by certain energies. So in the next video we will cover hydroelectric energy, generating electricity from wind energy and producing electric energy from solar power. Till then, I once again insist you to go through from all the notes and PDFs availed by us to you. We will definitely meet in our next video. Till then, happy learning.